Cleaning your email list is crucial for success. Neglect it, and watch your marketing efforts crumble before your eyes. Wondering how often you should clean your email list? It's not a one-time task, but an ongoing necessity. Estimates show that over 20% of email addresses become invalid each year, highlighting the need for regular verification. The frequency of cleaning largely depends on how often you send campaigns and the methods used to collect emails. Double opt-in methods provide security against mistyped and disposable email addresses, avoiding potential email bounce disasters. B2B email lists require more frequent cleaning due to higher turnover rates. Invalid emails can damage your sender reputation. Bouncer's email verification tool excels in identifying invalid addresses, offering a seamless solution to enhance deliverability rates. For best results, aim to verify your email list 72 hours before sending out campaigns. Timing is everything. With tools like Bouncer, effortless list cleaning isn't just an option, it's your ticket to higher open rates and engagement.